The Amba Vilas Palace at Mysore is a must-visit site for every Bangalorean. One can get there in about 2.5 hours from Bangalore. The public entry is from both North and South Gate. We managed to get a good guide who took us around explaining every single aspect of the palace. The palace is open from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. and then of course there's a light and sound show later in the evening. This palace was built during the period 1897 to 1912. That's the Dolls Gallery. There are heads of 2 elephants, which were of course hunted down by the Maharaja then and have been stuffed and placed here. There are plenty of authorized guides available, and make sure you get one to understand every detail of the palace. This is the octagonal marriage hall. These pillars are all made of cast iron. These are the many gifts the royal family then got.
The gift pure sandalwood boxes. Pure silver.
This is a canvas painting of a Dashera procession many years back. Very unique. One must see it to believe it. These cannons were gifted to the Maharaja in 1883 by the British. There are 42 identical pillars in this hall, and their symmetry is something to be really admired. There at the far end is the main gate, which is normally closed, and public entry is from both the north and the south gates. The Darbar Hall is pillarless and is about 150 feet by 44 feet. There's some great work on the ceiling as well, especially depicting the Dashavatar. That's it for now. And of course, continue watching Krishna's travelogue. And for those of you who haven't yet subscribed, please do subscribe. Thank you.